Let's now learn how we can achieve the different looks for different occasions.
This look is perfect for women who go to work on a daily basis. It's really simple with Love Minerals with the help of 3 simple tools: eyeliner, a neutral eyeshadow, and mascara. So after putting the appropriate shade of foundation, in her case, which is Island Shell, we get a neutral shade of shimmery eyeshadow and we put it on the entire lid. It's just like a sheer wash of shimmer. After the eyeshadow, we take any black pencil liner and we line the entire upper lid. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then next, we take a dark brown eyeshadow and we smudge it on the eyeliner. We use the dark brown to make a contour to give the eyes a more defined look. So after applying the contour brown eyeshadow, what we do is we curl the lashes. After curling the lashes, we just apply 1 to 2 coats of mascara. After the mascara, we put some Petal Bloom blush. It's very easy to put the blush. You just put it on the apples of her cheeks. Lastly, we will be applying lipstick. So we are using the Passion Fruit Hydrating Lipstick in Coral Kiss. I'm applying it with the lip brush right now, but you don't have to do that. You can just apply it straight from the tube. There you have it, our polished professional look. So this is for the everyday natural look, and this look is meant to be for women who are very low maintenance and who doesn't have a lot of time in the morning to prepare for their face. So we start off with a neutral shimmery eyeshadow. You just put it on and blend it all over your eyelid. You can use your fingers to smudge it. And you take the same shade and you put it on your lower lash line to make your eyes look brighter. After the eyeshadow, you just put any black eyeliner on the top lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you curl your lashes. This will really help brighten and open up your eye. And then we put 1 coat of mascara. Any mascara will do. After the eyes, we will put on the blush. We are using the Tropical Rose on Cecil. It's the blush that most suits her skin tone. So lastly, we will put on the lipstick. We're using the Earth Angel by Love Minerals. It's a neutral reddish brown. And you just apply it all over the lips. You don't have to use a lip brush. You can also just apply it straight from the tube. There. This look is perfect for evening parties or when you're going out on a date. So after choosing the right foundation for your skin, you will get any pencil liner and you will just line the upper lashes. This doesn't have to be perfect because we will smudge it afterwards anyway. The upper lashes and then the lower lashes. Do the same thing on the other eye. And then you smudge it with a dark brown eyeshadow. If any of the eyeshadow falls out onto your face, you can just use the mineral foundation to brush it out together with a brush. Do the same thing on the other eye, working from the lash line upwards towards the crease. Make it darker if you want to make it more vivid. You do the same for the lower lashes. Can you look up? You get the same brown eyeshadow and smudge it on top of the eyeliner. Next is you're gonna get a pink eyeshadow and you just sort of put it on top of where the brown ends. Same with the other eye. And then we take a neutral shimmery eyeshadow to use as a highlight on the brow bone. And in the inner corner of the eye. And then after that, since you smudged the eyeliner a while ago, you just put another layer of eyeliner to make the eyes really more defined. Same with the other eye. And on top of that, you will also put a liquid eyeliner. It's better to use waterproof liquid eyeliner so it wouldn't run or smudge. You just put it on top of where you put the pencil liner. Same with the other eye. To make it easier for you to apply the liquid liner, you do it in short strokes, not in one long stroke. Next we'll be curling the eyelashes. Can you look down? This is really crucial to make the eyes really pop. And then you would apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara, preferably waterproof, to make the lashes appear really full. Next we'll be applying the mineral blush. We are using the Pink Quartz mineral blush. So we get the product into a brush and then we sort of tap it onto the back of my hand so that it won't apply too thick, because it's easier to apply to add more than to take some out. So you just apply it on the apples of the cheeks. Apply more if necessary. This is Human Nature's Pinkest Blush. without the carmine. Lastly, to complete the look is the lipstick. We will be using Pink Skies Passion Fruit Hydrating Lipstick. This is a light pink lipstick that we're going to apply since the eyes are pretty defined already. So we just want to finish off with like a softer look for the lips. This is a very good lipstick. It's very moisturizing. It has all the good stuff like the passion fruit oil, the rice bran oil, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. Before we end, last application of Orient Pearl Mineral Foundation all over the face to keep everything shine free and everything intact. Done.
So there you have it. Looking beautiful in a healthy and natural way is very easy to do. You can share all these tips with your friends. After all, if you use makeup as regularly as we do, you want to make sure you use only the good.